How to fix too many people are using this feature error in CapCut. Let's get started. So, this error usually happens when CapCut servers are busy, too many users are using the same feature, or your app or network has a small issue. But the good news is you can fix it. So, first of all, you can simply wait for a few minutes and then try again. Sometimes the servers are overloaded and it fixes itself quickly. After that, you can simply open up your settings. Inside here, tap on General, tap on iPhone Storage, search for CapCut and then tap onto it. Just like that, tap on Upload App, then tap on Upload App again. After you do that, you have to make sure you tap on Install App. This will remove temporary bugs and without deleting your projects. Now, you can try changing your internet. You can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if it fixes the issue. A slow or unstable connection can cause this problem. Now, you can turn on any VPN and connect to another country. This can bypass server overload in your region. After that, you can simply open up your CapCut, log out of your account and then log back in again. This refreshes your session. If nothing works, long press on CapCut, tap on Remove App, tap on Delete App, then tap on Delete again. Once deleted, open up the App Store and reinstall CapCut. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.